November is practically the most important month of the year for gardeners, as it is the month when we protect all our plants that are at risk of freezing during the winter, but it is also the month for planting. If you have a greenhouse, this is the time to turn on the heating, especially if you have sensitive plants inside. It is important to remember that a greenhouse is not insulated. You will use a lot of energy. Therefore, it is essential to use an insulator, a bubble wrap insulator, that will allow you to gain at least 5 degrees in this greenhouse. Some plants are capable of surviving the winter outdoors as long as they are covered. This is the case for aromatic plants like rigatoni fuchsias. Regarding the aromas, you can also detach part of them and bring them inside. This will give you a nice green plant during the winter. In November, it is not too late to plant your biennial plants, especially pansies, daisies, forget-me-nots and stock flowers. You can plant them now. The pansies will even bloom for a good part of the autumn. As for the forget-me-nots and stock flowers, you will find them in bloom starting in March or April. November is also the right time to prune these roses. You simply cut them back by half, never too severely, because if you cut them down to the ground, they may start to grow very early in the spring. And just like in February 2012, you might have roses that freeze. So, we cut them back by about half to prevent them from being battered by the wind. Also, this is the time when we will gather the few remaining roses to put in a vase. And if it gets very cold, at that point we will mound the roses. In November, it is also the right time to prune your perennials, particularly the asters that bloomed last autumn. You cut them to 10 or 15 centimeters above the ground, which will allow all these plants to restart better in the spring. But you can also leave some flowers and seeds so that the birds can feed during the winter. You know the saying, on St. Catherine all wood takes root. St. Catherine is on November 25th. And yet, you can plant your trees and shrubs before St. Catherine, provided that your plants are sold in containers. In containers, they can practically be planted all year round, provided that the pot is well soaked before planting. However, we will also take advantage of the month of November to find bare root plants. This is the case, for example, with raspberries, small fruits that you can plant starting from November 15th when the leaves begin to fall properly. On the other hand, you can currently find, and still in the month of November, plants in containers such as raspberry bushes. It's almost a shame to plant them at this time, as often you will pay more for them while you would have better success with bare root planting. If you are lucky enough to have bamboo on your balcony or to plant in containers, know that these are plants that are not afraid of the cold. However, they can die from thirst. And for that, it is essential that your plant is always supplied with water. To achieve this, you will simply protect the base with straw or a winter cover so that the base is never frozen in ice. What could be more pleasant than having some flowers on your Christmas table, such as hyacinth flowers? Forcing is now being practiced. To do this, you will place them in a box in a cool place, and when they start to sprout, you will move them to a warm location and you will have flowers ahead of time. In the vegetable garden, if you have a cold frame or a few frames, now is the right time to repair them, as it is necessary to apply putty now, so we change the glass. If your plants are protected under frames, and if you have cabbages, celery or some endive indoors, don't forget, especially from time to time, to ventilate them well, preferably earlier in the morning, and if you need to water, always do so in the morning. Take advantage of the month of November to dig up your garden in large clumps, especially if you have clay soil. You will find more tips in our weekly publication Rustica Hebdo and on rustica.fr.